Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download GoDaddy website builder assets for affiliate promotions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the GoDaddy website and log into your account. Once inside your account dashboard, locate the section for your website builder. Select the specific website you want to work on. In the website builder interface, look for the settings option. Click on settings to access the configuration options for your site. Within the settings menu, find and select website assets. This section will contain all the images, videos, and files associated with your site. Review the assets you wish to download for your affiliate promotions. To download an asset, click on the specific image or file you want to save. You will see options to either view or download the asset. Choose the download option to save the asset to your device. Repeat this process for any other assets you need. Once all downloads are complete, organize your files for easy access later. Now that you have your assets downloaded, you can start creating your affiliate promotions. Utilize the downloaded images and videos in your marketing materials. Be sure to present your promotions in a visually appealing and informative manner. Keep your audience engaged by clearly explaining the value of the products. Track the performance of your affiliate links to assess your promotional success. With these steps complete, you're now ready to promote affiliate products using your GoDaddy website builder assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.